Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all a product. Now I know it's a little bit early for Halloween, but this item is so perfect for Halloween, or if you're having a scary party or anything like that, this would be perfect for your party. So today I'm going to share with you all some silicone molds. So guys, these silicone molds that are shaped like skulls, you can make ice blocks which are shaped like skulls, you can make chocolate skulls, white, dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Whatever you think you can freeze, you can make it with these. So let's get into the product and let's see how it works. So I'm actually going to be making ice out of these molds, and I'm only going to be testing out one set. You get 2 sets and each mold makes 4. So before you use these, you need to wash them. So I'm going to give this a wash, dry it, and then we'll move ahead onto filling it. Okay, so now that I've finished wash these, I'm going to replace it. And all you do is take your water and pour it into the hole. If you have a very small funnel, I think that would help. I would recommend that they put a funnel in this product when you purchase it, because it's really hard to get the water in there without it spilling. And if water gets into the outside of the cavity, that's okay, because when it freezes you can just discard that. So this would go directly into your freezer. Now I'm gonna put it into my freezer. Once it freezes, I'll come back in, we'll unmold it, and we'll see how it looks. So guys, this has been freezing overnight. So what I want to do is unmold it so you guys can see, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I don't want to run it under any water just yet, because I don't want it to start melting. So before this starts melting, because my kitchen is pretty warm right now, let me just show you guys up close what the skull, if you guys can see the skull pattern. And if you use chocolate to make chocolate skulls, you'll be able to clean up the chocolate, the excess chocolate, so it looks even neater. So if you guys enjoyed this product, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. You can use it for Halloween, for parties, for bachelor parties, anything, you name it. So thank you all so much, and I will see you all another day with another one of my reviews. All information for this product will be listed down below in the description box. So thank you for watching.